Bolognese over spaghetti squash. So I'm gonna start by sauteing some vegetables for the Bolognese, plenty of salt and pepper. And then I'm also gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes just to make sure it has a little bit of heat to it. And now all I need to do is stir the veggies and cook them around just for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna turn the heat down just a tiny bit because I'm gonna add some fresh garlic and fresh thyme. And I'm using good old ground beef, nothing fancy at all. I cook this until the meat is totally browned. I need another 5 minutes for that. On the page, you can see the veggies and the meat. And now it's time to turn this meat and veggie mixture into a sauce. So this is the cheat ingredient I promised you. And use a couple of jars of good marinara sauce. And this probably cuts a good hour, hour and a half off of the cooking process, which is great by me because that means we can eat sooner. If you think this looks delicious now, just wait until it simmers for 20 minutes. I basically cut a squash in half, scraped out the seeds, and then I drizzled it with olive oil and salt and pepper, and I roasted them face down. And then you just take a fork and just keep scraping until all of the goodness inside comes loose from the big rind. So I'm gonna put the first one on, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the second squash. Here comes the sauce, Paigey. I'm gonna go on the first one first. I love the flavor of spaghetti squash. Okay, and then lots of Parmesan, just like you would if this was on spaghetti, just a big spaghetti and meat sauce dish. And then I've already got some big leaves of basil that I tore in pieces. I mean, stop the presses. This is absolutely gorgeous.